If you're tired of stock pots that burn sauces, stick like glue, or somehow feel too small the second you start cooking for more than 2 people, this might be exactly what your kitchen's been missing. A lot of cookware looks great online, but once you actually use it for soups, pasta, or meal prep, the problems show up fast. That's where this Bezia 8-quart nonstick stock pot surprised me. This is the Bezia 8-quart ceramic nonstick stock pot, and it's clearly designed for people who cook real meals regularly. Families, meal preppers, busy parents, or honestly anyone tired of wrestling with cheap cookware every night. It promises easy cleanup, even heating, cool touch handles, and enough space for big meals without feeling oversized and awkward. And after using it for things like chili, pasta, soups, and batch cooking, I can see why it's getting attention. You can find the direct link to this product right in the description. First impressions are actually really solid. The pot has a clean, modern look that doesn't scream industrial kitchen equipment. It feels sturdy without being ridiculously heavy, and that balance matters more than people think. Some stock pots are so heavy that even moving them from the sink to the stove becomes annoying. This one feels substantial, but still manageable. The ceramic nonstick coating feels smooth and premium, and the silicone handles are honestly one of the most practical features here. They stay cool during normal stovetop cooking, which sounds small until you realize how often you accidentally grab a hot metal handle out of habit. The glass lid is another detail I ended up appreciating more than expected. Being able to quickly check pasta, soup, or stew without lifting the lid helps keep heat and moisture inside, especially during longer cooking sessions. It's one of those simple quality of life features that make everyday cooking feel easier. Now, when it comes to actual cooking performance, this is where the pot earns its place. Heat distribution is even, which means fewer hot spots and less burning around the edges. That's especially noticeable when making thicker foods like chili, creamy sauces, or oatmeal, where cheap pots usually create sticking problems fast. Pasta water also heats up surprisingly quickly on induction, but worked well on G as too. While non-stick ceramic coating genuinely makes cleanup easier. And I don't mean marketing easier. I am foods actually release without needing aggressive scrubbing afterward. Even after simmering thicker sauces for a while, cleanup was mostly just warm water and sponge. If you cook often, that alone becomes a huge reason to use a pot like this regularly. Noise-wise, it's quiet and stable on the stovetop, and the flat base helps prevent wobbling. Small detail, but again, it makes cooking feel smoother. The size is also kind of ideal for normal households. 8 quarts sounds huge, but it's really the sweet spot for cooking enough food for leftovers without taking over your entire kitchen. That said, this pot isn't perfect for everyone. If you live alone and mostly make small single-serving meals, this could feel larger than necessary. And like most ceramic cookware, you'll still want to avoid metal utensils if you want the coating to last longer. It's durable, but ceramic coatings always benefit from a little care. Compared to similar stock pots in this price range from brands like Tefal or Cook in Home, the Bezia stands out mainly because of the balance between comfort and cleanup. Some competitors heat well, but feel cheap around the handles and lid. Others look premium, but become frustrating to clean after a few months. This one feels more thoughtfully designed for everyday cooking rather than just looking good on a product page. Overall, I think this is a really strong option for families, home cooks, meal preppers, and anyone who regularly cooks soups, pasta, stews, or large meals during the week. It solves real problems people actually deal with in the kitchen: sticking, uneven heating, hard cleanup, and uncomfortable handles, without overcomplicating things. If you want cookware that makes daily cooking easier instead of more annoying, this one's definitely worth checking out. If you enjoyed this review, hit the like button, subscribe for more honest product reviews, and check out the link in the description if you want to see current pricing or availability before it sells out again.